Is how two YouTubers fix up a car.
Let's load these nuts up.
We're hitting that point where we're getting a little delirious. All right, guys, we have made it to Tempe. Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome to a new vlog. If you've seen the previous videos, I've been traveling around with this guy right here.
Good morning!
Woo! Right now, we are, where are we going? We're going to Phoenix. We slept in Tempe at a couch surfing host, Sushmita, or Sushi. So we are heading right now to downtown Phoenix area, right? And we're gonna get some food, and we're gonna try to stick to a low budget today. I don't feel like spending a lot of money, so we're gonna bring you around with us, show you what it's like in Phoenix. You ready?
I'm so excited.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's have a good time. Just got our food and it looks so good. They got some fish tacos and I got what's called an all-day burrito. All right, time to test out this burrito. It comes with a little sauce too. I don't know what this is, but it looks and smells delicious. That is some good stuff. Whew. It's like the perfect mix of ingredients. This is a great choice. Thanks for bringing us here. See, you always gotta listen to the locals' advice. They know where to go.
I did my best.
Yeah, we would not have come here if it wasn't for her. So good. So what area are we in right now?
We're in Phoenix on Roosevelt Street near ASU downtown campus.
Okay. And then we also want to go to an area called Scottsdale?
Yes.
Is that like a
Scottsdale.
different city? How far from Phoenix is that?
From here it would be around a 15-20 minute drive.
Okay.
Everything around Arizona is roughly 15 to 20 minutes. The cities of Tempe, Mesa, Chandler, Phoenix, and Scottsdale.
Okay, cool. We're gonna go explore a little bit more. First, enjoy these yummy foods. So we'll see you somewhere else. So one of the cool things about us vlogging together is you get to see our different perspectives. So now you get to see a behind the scenes of how Tal starts his vlogs.
Sometimes we get a little weird on the Traveling Clatt.
we gotta do a big crazy intro. So I think pants off, dance off is the appropriate.
Hands off, dance off in Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, here we go.
Phoenix, Arizona, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome.
There's a rule in this city: you can't start a vlog with your pants on. You have to take them off.
Yeah, there's a law actually.
But now that we've introed, our pants are back on. Welcome to the city of Phoenix, Arizona.
And that is how you do a Traveling Clatt intro.
Amen.
So we're walking around downtown Phoenix trying to approach strangers and ask them what they like about Phoenix. And we met, what's your name?
Maddie.
Maddie?
Uh-huh.
And you've been here for what, a month?
Yeah, a month or two.
Going to ASU?
Yeah.
So if we ask you what do you enjoy about Phoenix, what would you say?
I would say all the outdoor stuff there is to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I think ASU, or Phoenix is kind of underrated.
Yeah?
In that aspect, but there's so much to do outside.
Can you recommend one or maybe a few things we should do while we're here?
Rock climbing for sure.
Okay.
Rock climbing for sure. And then there's just some cool hikes like in the Tonto National Forest.
Tonto, mark that down. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right, another behind the scenes things. Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Welcome to Behind the Scenes with Steves and Tals. We're going to Scottsdale, Arizona.
Can somebody be my back camera?
All right, you're good.
Backing up. Backing up.
Oh, stop! Go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward. All right, Folkadidokleys, we made it to Old Town Scottsdale and Folkadidokleys.
That was the best thing I've ever heard. That's amazing. An angel has arrived. Monica's here, one of my viewers from the area, and she's brought us gifts. What are these?
Scorpion lollipops.
What? Where'd you get this?
Oh, this is so
From here.
cool.
They're locals.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So do you eat the scorpion? Is that?
You do whatever your heart desires.
Steve and I are gonna have to eat some scorpion a little later on.
Thank you so much. Okay, Sushi's bringing us to a place called the Sugar Bowl. Woo.
Best ice cream out here in Arizona.
Yeah? This looks like such an old-fashioned ice cream place.
It's just got such a beautiful vibe.
Yeah?
Take you back in time.
Do we need a table? Something to go, something at the counter.
Oh, look at this place.
The counter looks pretty cool. Maybe a table though. First impression of this place, the menu is huge. I don't think I've ever been to an ice cream place with so many options.
Look at this menu. It's larger than the top half of my body. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, I'm on a diet, I swear.
2 and it's 70 degrees.
It's all over my mustache. Oh wow. Oh, that's intense. That's a lot of sugar.
They don't call this a sugar bowl for nothing.
Ooh,
Let's
that is
try
a straight up sugar bowl right there.
So I got some chocolate ice cream with peanut butter and marshmallow fluff. Peanut butter is my favorite thing in the world.
And check this, guys. Look, I got a brownie, a whole brownie with ice cream. They put a whole brownie in here. I don't even know how I'm supposed to finish this. This is insane. The original name for Scottsdale.
What? We
What
just
the
discovered
hell?
something. Guys, fun fact. Orangedale is the original name for Scottsdale.
It's a sham. This place isn't even called Scottsdale.
It's a sham.
I want my money back. It's really Orangedale.
What the hell is this? Is that a jackrabbit riding a badger? We were told this is a very famous spot right here, this love structure, but as you can see, there's some metal in the way, so I think it's closed. Just met another YouTuber out here.
What up?
Woo, plug your channel.
Dad Bod Project.
Cool, check him
You
out.
know, I gained a lot of weight when I had kids.
Yeah?
So I had to do something about it. I'm doing intermittent fasting, a little keto, and a little something special I'm working on. I got a pilot program going.
Sweet. And you're based here in Arizona?
Yeah, I live in Phoenix up near Desert Ridge, and I work at Osborne Hospital.
Very
So,
interesting. He just
yeah.
saw us with our cameras out and he said, "What's your channel?"
No, I'm
The
like-
first thing he
I'm
said.
like, I've got that.
Yeah.
I've got that. I got that.
We just
I got
have
one of those.
Yeah, we
I know
just
what we're
look
doing here.
like vloggers. We look like we're making a YouTube video. But
Right
that's
on.
cool. Go check out his channel.
Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
Cool.
Austin Peggy's.
All right, guys, we just made it to Hole in the Rock. The sun is setting. The sky is on fire. We're gonna go hike up this rock and go sit in that hole. Woo-hoo-hoo.
And rock it out.
And rock it out.
Rock me up.
All right, Sushi just thought of another thing that she wants to share that she enjoys about Phoenix. What is
I
it?
love the sky. The sky in Arizona is wonderful. No, it's true though. You know how every place has its own geographical beauty? The sunset in Arizona, every time, some days the skies are pink, some days the skies are golden. So we'll find out what the sky's in the mood for today.
Woo! The sun, it looks like it just set. And the whole, oh my, the whole sky is so amazing. So amazing. The sky is so amazing. Wow. This environment is crazy. The mountains are beautiful. Everything is wonderful. How you feeling?
It's birdie. It's really cool. I haven't been to an area of the US and like hiked something like this before. And just seeing all these red rocks is like, it's mind blowing. The colors are so freaking cool.
I wish we could fly a drone, but this is a no-fly zone. So this is why they call this place the Hole in the Rock. Because there's literally a giant hole in this rock. And everybody comes in here and you have a beautiful view of the sunset. And I just met these other travelers from Chicago.
What up?
So how long are you guys out here for?
3 days.
3 days.
We're
3
trying
days.
to find an apartment out here.
Relocating. Cool.
Yeah. I want to move out here. Do this every day.
Beautiful place to live.
Yes.
It really is.
Lovely.
Everywhere you look, it's just amazing.
Perfect. Like even that way where there's absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
It's still pretty.
It just looks so cool everywhere. Woo-hoo! What do you guys think about this place?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
It's stunning. The sunset here, you could oversee the city, the mountains in the background, everywhere you look.
Just looks like a painting. Like the hues of color is just amazing.
Yeah, the streaks of light coming out of the sky right now. It's just so nice. But we're gonna enjoy this. Come here for yourself so you can enjoy it. It's amazing out here. We're gonna see you back at Sushi's place. Boom! So tomorrow we have to wake up very early. We wanna go explore Horseshoe Bend, which is part of the Grand Canyon, and Antelope Canyon, which are some beautiful places that I've seen so many photos and videos of. So I'm very excited to go visit myself. But since we want to leave early tomorrow, we're not going to go out tonight. It's very hot during the day here, so they're saying most people kind of hide in the air condition during the day and then go out for nightlife. But we're pretty tired, so instead we're gonna stay in. We got some food. Check this out. We went to a local Mexican deli and I got what's called a Paisa Burrito. Another word for it would be quesarito. This thing is enormous, but it's a burrito that they made out of a quesadilla. Ooh. And you got a Fiji burrito?
I got a Fiji burrito.
What's that mean?
It's basically a burrito with pineapple inside.
Oh.
It's like getting a pineapple pizza, but
Let's cheers at burritos.
oh hell yeah.
So many flavors.
Yeah.
So good.
Wow.
All right, guys. Tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna go to northern Arizona. We're gonna go to some amazing places, and we actually. So tomorrow we're exploring. Want to try some? Go for it. There's meat in it. Do you eat meat? She doesn't eat meat. She's a vegetarian.
I just looked so good. I just had the cheese part. I
Well, now you're not a vegetarian anymore.
You saw the ending of a vegetarian. You got that as a bonus. That's free content.
Boom. We're converting people left and right.
All right, what are we doing? Left and fry? What are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're going to the Grand Canyon.
The grandest of all canyons.
Horseshoe Bend, which is a bend that looks like a horseshoe. A place called Antelope Canyon. It's a canyon filled with antelopes.
Just hundreds of them, everywhere.
I don't think so. I don't know why they call it that, but maybe we can find out when we get there. And then we're spending the night somewhere. We're probably gonna camp out. We don't know exactly where, but we're gonna try to find some free camping because we don't want to pay any money. And the following day we're gonna meet up with a Navajo Native American tribe. We're gonna spend the night in the desert with them near Monument Valley. Whew, I'm very excited for that.
It's gonna get crazy.
They even said there's some things we can't film, so that's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fun, gonna be good times. Of course, we're gonna be bringing you with us. And then after that, we're gonna drive to San Diego, maybe go to Tijuana, then LA. It's gonna be good times. We have some loose plans, but I'm excited. So we'll see you tomorrow for some more adventures. Bye. Right now, we are pretty much in the middle of nowhere.
Wow, that is so freaking cool.
Look at this. Yeah.
It's home, ladies and gentlemen.
Check it out.